Okay guys, so we're at the install stage of the Escea fireplace. This is a fireplace that I've wanted for years. It's like a dream thing to have in my house. This is the big one that we've, me and Crystal have been looking at for a long time. So the good thing about these is they're really good connecting into the app. So we've got the Bunker House app cranking, so we can adjust the temperature of this to heat and cool the house, and also to have like a nice ambient look. And the good thing is they're really low profile and slimline for how big they are. So you can see the fluing actually tucks in behind, and we're just going to use this as a feature flue. But you actually don't even need this can just punch through the back wall, and you didn't even need a flue. But I just kind of like the look of a flue on a fireplace. It kind of makes it feel like a kind of more fireplacey vibe. So yeah, that's why we've gone with it. This is our fireproof board, heat retardant. So that basically gets really hot. So we're going to put that over there so it doesn't heat up my joinery and pop the laminate off the joinery. And this is basically going to be wrapped in the exact same timber as our kitchen.